Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learner's Guide. So today we'll see how to make a simple electrical circuit. And for that, first of all, I have taken here a cardboard on which I have labeled battery and LED. And on its backside, I have written or I have drawn a circuit diagram which shows a battery and a bulb or lamp sign. But here over here, you'll notice that I've not kept place for switch, or I've not drawn any symbol of switch. The reason is that this is a basic circuit, so we'll focus upon a simple circuit. In next video, I'll definitely show you with a circuit with a switch. So now we'll stick a battery over here on the place of battery and an LED bulb on its place. And we'll join it. So over here, you must keep in mind that sometimes as the ends of this terminals are sometimes a bit rusted. Really successful in joining the wire properly. Yeah. So this was a video with a simple circuit, a simple electrical circuit. Thank you for watching this video, and please like this video if you do. Please share it to most of your friends and subscribe the channel for more notifications. And one most important thing, my new video will be about how was life before electricity.